Hello and welcome to Barbie Jewelry World. Your imagination is my creation in a shape of jewelry. Welcome to my jewelry world. I was thinking to show you some of the crystal, tennis type necklaces and rings that I have from Paris collection. Okay, I have these earrings. You see, I'm going to try it and you see how it looks. That's the earring with zirconia crystal. This is so delicate when you want to go to the party and become a princess. By the way, I have also this tiara. This is so adorable. You can have it for your wedding, engagement, party, or in some special moments. That's so with pearls and crystals. I love it. Now I'm showing you two different size and thickness of these crystals bracelets. These are all made in Paris. I was in Paris 2 years ago and I got them from a designer. Here is the bracelet. You see, with two different thickness and diameter of the crystal. This is so beautiful. And now I want to show you these bling beautiful rings. I tried them and you see how they look in your finger with the heart shape, with oval shape and the square shape. So here we have 3 different rings. You see, you can even have the all 3 together or 2 together. I love big rings. It's more shiny. It's up to you how to mix and match. And this is how they look one by one in details. You can see the shape of the ring with the crystals, and I have in different sizes, not so many. I think I have only 2 of these designs. The other one is like this. Can you see? And I love the heart one very much, and this is the only one. I sold the other one, the heart shape. If you are a fan of heart shape, I love this one. So good. 1, 2, 3. Do you like 3 together or only one? And if you like only one design, which design is your best choice? First choice actually. I'm going to try the necklace now and you see the necklace on my neck. So here we have the silver necklace with tennis crystals. Now we are all set. We have the necklace, we have the rings, bracelets and the earring. Which one is your favorite one? Let me know in a comment below. If you want to dress, do you like to dress up with all in one, or you prefer only to choose earring, bracelet or ring necklace? What is your perfect mix and match with your bling dress? Let me know and see you soon. So much love is always here.